Hey, 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 what's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. As you can see, it is about to rain in Fairfield, Texas. I am down at Funtown where they stacked up a whole bunch of campers for me to record. Having a great day. And today, I'm going to give you a little review on the 2024 Fuzion 373. But first, let's check out the old specs here. You're looking at an unloaded vehicle weight of 14,270 with an overall GVWR of 17,000. So it's not the lightest, but it's also not the heaviest. Now Fuzion, I've been selling RVs for the last 11 years, and Fuzion definitely makes one of my favorite toy haulers. I have sold a ton of them. They're something that is going to be more of like a feel-good sale from like a salesman perspective, because they do hold up much better than a lot of the competition. So that is always what you're looking for, a quality build and a dealership with a great price. So I highly encourage you to check out their location. They just picked up the Fuzion. They're going Keystone heavy, baby. It's going to be a good old time. But all the specifications, length, height, tank sizes, awning sizes, including that link for the pricing, check down there. But again, it's the 2024 Fuzion 373. Now this might be a little bit of a quicker tour. It is about to rain. I don't have the back garage door closed, but that will have a fenced in little patio area, which, you know, we'll go down through this. We'll have a good old time recording it. But drop a comment, let me know what you think. Fuzion 373. But man, when you walk in, absolutely beautiful. I love the fact that it's got a little bit of a darker floor with lighter walls but dark accents. I just think everything plays so well into each other. Over here, you're going to notice you have a slide out. You also get another slide out over here as well with the sofa. And by the way, all four of these do recline, which is a little bit rare. Usually just the outside corners do. You also got an area where you can plug in some little TV tray dinners, heat, light, and massage. So super comfortable. This slide is also incredibly tall. You know, I am 6 foot and I'm like up to my tippies right there. So that's pretty darn nice. You're almost at about maybe 7 feet even. I don't know. Tinted windows with the Dracula shades. They all open up for a nice breeze. That way you can really get some good airflow into here. This island, it kind of has that industrial look to it because you do get stools that pop out and swing around. So you can use this as a little breakfast area for your dinette. They're not only on this side with some outlets and a pull-out drawer, but they're also over here, which is nice. So you got seating for 4, or you can use it, you know, for some games. The pendant lighting is looking pretty darn sharp. You also get a fantastic fan up there on the ceiling, but you get your higher refrigerator. So this is going to be a huge refrigerator, 20 cubic foot, and you're going to get a lot of space in this thing. I mean, check this out. I mean, you could pack a week's worth of food and drinks in there, you know, no problem. Well, I've gone with my cousin down to some of these motocross things. Maybe not a week's worth of drinks for that crowd. That is a little bit of a rowdy crowd, but a normal group could probably get away with it. You got the 3 stovetop burner on your Elite series, and you notice that it's also a little bit bigger than average too. You got your high point convection microwave, so you can double that up, you know, cook up in both, do a little bit of bacon. You also get solid surface countertops throughout. Babe, if you're watching, I love you. And notice you get a whole bunch of cabinetry here underneath. I'm just going to open a couple of these. The top one, the bottom one is about double, and then here underneath the sink, you get a little garbage can and access to your plumbing and more clean-cut storage. You're also going to get a couple bamboo cutting boards for your stainless steel under-mounted bowl with a matching high-rise faucet. Hitting those dish-a-roonies from all over. Now right here, you got your water heater. That's going to be the on-demand water heater. So it's basically going to be instant heat. It's going to last forever for you. As long as you have propane, you got hot water on a quickness. A lot of storage, accent lighting there up above. But I like this area, I think, for like, you know, my coffee machine. You got a USB. You got an outlet that's on the inverter. So that is nice. You know, you can kind of harness, you know, what's going on with the camper. You know, the inverter just makes a extra electric source. You know, your solar, your battery, run it up, baby. Show you this couch again. But you get plenty of walk-around room here around the island, too. And you got storage on the side, but you also get a TV that can go up on a swivel. You also get a pretty banging sound system here in these Fuzions. And then you got the Jensen for your different zones. So zone 1, 2, play music inside and outside. You got a fireplace to keep it nice and warm. More storage here up top. And then the sides are going to be looking, just like this on both here and over there. You also get a loft, so that way you can sleep a couple extra folks or use it for some great storage. And then the toy hauler portion, I'll have to look up the footage. I will put that down in the description for sure. But look at all the tie downs you get. I think the rep said it was 36 points. And each one of those black squares, it's tied into the frame. It's also going to be 5,000 pound weight rated as well for each one. So that is pretty darn nice. Now you got a dovetail, meaning that it starts sloping down in the back to help you not bottom out your toys. And you also see right here, you get your 3 Seasons patio door. Now if you drop down the back door here, boom, you can make it a patio because this is going to be a fenced in little back area. Or obviously you can drop it down to make a ramp to get up into it. Now right above me, you have a set of roller sofas. So basically the top portion here, let me close that door real quick. This portion will roll over onto itself to make a sofa, or you got bed mode, or you can drop them flat up against if you need more height. There's also a queen bed that drops down from the ceiling as well. 3 Seasons patio door, so that way, you can camp while keeping that back door down for the patio, play some cards. It's also got a 3,000 pound rating for that as well. So you can play, all your different games without worrying if you got some roundies for friends like myself. Emergency exit over here, but it's a massive window, especially for a toy hauler. A second one, a half bath, and another window along with its separate entrance. You also get some of your controls and a little bit more storage, up here, along with a TV. And it's got a little frame on it here. So right there, you can pull that down to get a little bit of a better viewing angle. Whoa, almost fell. Speakers in the garage. You also have the little half bath with a porcelain throne. Got a sink. Got its own AC back here, which is nice. And then, I'm not sure what this is, but let's go ahead and open that up, shall we? This is probably something cool. Look at that. Extra storage. And you got a ladder up here to help you get on top of that loft or that, probably the bed up there. Well, that's nice. I like that. So if you guys have made it this far, if you don't mind, hit that like and subscribe button for me. I'm really trying to make a push for 75,000 subscribers here in 2023, and I would really greatly appreciate your help. Tinted glass door. I also like the fact that it's got that sealant right here, a little squishy, so it's going to help block out some of the fumes from coming in. But man, just a sharp, sharp toy hauler. Fuzion 373. Central vac, so you push your foot there, push the dirt, you're ready to rock. You also got a fuse box along with an apple juice bottle opener. This is going to be your control panel, so it's all going to be touch screen. Control your lights, your tank heaters, all that good stuff. Check your battery life. Another porcelain throne and a shower that is big enough to definitely take a normal shower in. And it's also going to be the one-piece fiberglass. So you hop on in here, and I'm a big guy. So 300 pounds, 6 feet tall. I'm getting in there just fine, doing my thing. Tri-Glide glass series to help you get in a little bit easier. You also got a sink right here. A little bit more storage. A little fan to help suck out the steam or stink from whatever you're doing. And now we are into the bedroom, which has dual entrance. One for you, one for your guests. But a TV that's on a slant is going to be a Vizio. You also have the emergency exit and a dual dresser drawer. Both of them like that. Flip it around, you got a queen size bed with some storage here up underneath. It's going to be on that strut, so we're going hands free. You also got windows here on both sides that do open up along with outlets and countertops. Big old closet space. You're also going to see you're prepped up for the washer and dryer, so you can put the stackable there if you would like. More closet space here. But all right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Again, this is the 2024 Fuzion 373. Hit that like and subscribe button. Now we'll go around the outside and see if we can sneak a couple minutes there, because it is starting to trickle. So all those specifications will be down in that description again. You're going to get 6-point hydraulic auto leveling, a spare tire with your propane quick connect, You're also going to notice you have 2 awnings on both sides of the slide and solar up on the top. That little vent right there indicates that you are going to have your batteries, 2 lithium-ion batteries, which is absolutely fantastic. You also got your pass-through storage right here with a little bit of light, shows off that welded construction. And you got an outlet and a heated and enclosed underbelly. Those stairs flip up into the doorway with an extra large grab handle. You also get frameless windows and speakers that are going to be actually at an ear level when you're sitting down hanging out, so you can really get it bumping. You got a TV that you can put right there. Metal slam latch doors. And you got a clip right there. So heavier, more sturdy doors. I like seeing that. A separate entrance. This door obviously drops down. You're also prepped for a rear observation camera and the Girard awning as well that comes out to provide a little bit of shade when you are in kind of, patio mode. You also get a collapsible ladder here off the side so you can get on top, check your seals, check your slides. And you have a fuel pump as well, so that way you can fuel up, your ATVs, your four-wheelers, whatever it is that you're rocking. That's going to be where you plug in the unit. MORryde 3000 CREs. You also get upgraded endurance Goodyear tires, and those are going to be the, where does it say the size? Okay, right here. ST 255 85 R16, so 16-inch Goodyear tires. That's the exhaust for your generator. And then you have your docking station where you're going to see your city water fill, your black tank flush, which is a sprinkler system for your poop tank. You also got hot and cold water access in the form of an outside shower. Propane here behind this door. Nope, no propane, sorry. That is your hydraulic. You also get your control for your auto level here. And then this is going to be your 5500 Awning Jenny. Little storage space. And then there's your propane. Heading back up the front. You got a little upgraded pin box that pivots for you. But that about wraps up here this quick tour of the 2024 Fuzion 373. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you.